The mediators in a family relationship centre are looking to help parents make their plan that are going to work for them and their children.
Mediation is a structured process where an independent person supports parents in making decisions and arrangements to do with their children. Anyone who identifies as a parent or carer of a child is able to approach the Family Relationship Centre and explore mediation.
We have same-sex couples. We certainly see couples that might require the assistance of an interpreter.
So if you were to call up, you would be assessed to determine if we're the right service for you at this time. And if so, then you'll be met with a mediator.
They're specially trained to help parents who've separated to work on good care arrangements and to focus on the needs of their children.
The process is you meet with a mediator one-on-one to begin with, and then the other parent is met one-on-one as well. And that allows the mediator to get two different perspectives and to gather all the information required to determine if mediation is going to be the best option for you.
We set aside 3 hours for the session. Generally speaking, what we do is we get both clients to come in and we'll spend a little bit of time talking through the principles of mediation, which would include things like voluntariness, confidentiality, and then we ask the clients to each take a turn at sharing with us the topics that they'd like to cover in the session.
Parents are then given the opportunity to go through those topics, each taking a turn to discuss the issues they'd like to discuss with the other parent. If an agreement is reached, that's written up on the board and a copy is made available to the parents. We're not there to make decisions, we're not there to take sides, we're there just to facilitate a conversation between parents. We're going to make sure it's a safe space, we're going to make sure it's balanced and that parents get an opportunity to speak and to be heard.
There's no requirements. Normally we do encourage people to get legal advice, but they can engage with our service first and then we can refer them onwards as well.
Mediation is really for people who aren't able to reach an agreement and they need someone who can support them in having those difficult conversations with the other parent.
An ideal outcome from our perspective is two parents that have walked away with an agreement that isn't necessarily perfectly what they envisioned walking into the mediation, but something that they think will be the best thing for their kids moving forward. Some people do reach a full agreement in the first session, which is fantastic. Other people will have one session and generate a range of options, which is fine too, and they'll go away and think about it and potentially contact us again for a second or third session by need.
If parents feel like their issues haven't been resolved, then they do have the opportunity to take their matter further, and that would be to get some legal advice and potentially make an application to family court.